Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a front loader GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E71 error on the display and you're wondering, what is this error and what do I need to do to fix it? Now, there's some good news and some bad news. Is that this is pretty simple in terms of what it is. Bad news is you're probably going to have to replace a part that you're going to need to get somebody to help you with. So basically this is the main control board. There's a failure on the main control board of the washing machine. So really what you need to do is, first things first, reset the control board, which is to do a hard reset on the washing machine. There's a couple ways to do it. One of the ways is just to unplug the machine, disconnect the machine completely from power for a full 3 minutes, then restore power and see if it hasn't cleared the error out. There are a couple other hard reset methods. You can just look online for hard reset of your GE washing machine. Try a couple different things to get the error cleared out of the control board. If none of those work, then the next thing to do is just to replace the control board.